You can make $200 a day with these easy ways. Hi, I'm going to show you how to make a lot of money fast, and it's not as hard as you think. This is a really easy way for you to make $200 per day from your own home. The best part is that this method also doesn't take up much of your time. So let me show you what I mean. If you want to make $200 per day, you'll need to pick a few of these options according on how much free time you have. These ideas won't make you a lot of money on their own, but when you combine them, the revenue potential skyrockets. So, before we jump into the video, if you could please invest in hitting the like button so that we can get this video in front of other viewers looking for information just like this. Also be sure to subscribe so that you can be up to date on all our future videos. Earn quick cash on Swagbucks. Swagbucks has your back if you're looking for a company that can make you $200 quickly. Swagbucks is the mother of all GPT websites. You get $10 just for signing up, and then you can earn $200 in various ways. Swagbucks allows you to earn money by completing simple tasks, the most common of which are online surveys. You can earn up to $40 per survey by taking paid online surveys that last no more than 15 or 20 minutes. Take 5 surveys this week, and you'll be laughing all the way to the bank to cash in your $200. Other great ways to make money quickly online with Swagbucks include the view videos of adorable cats or cooking shows. Earn money for your online purchases. Look into promotional offers. You can still search the internet and get paid for it. It's time to say goodbye to Google. Oh, I'm kidding. Get $25 referral money on Racket. Racket is a cashback website that gives you $10 for signing up and spending at least $25 at a store you typically purchase at. Not only that, but there's a whole lot more. Referring friends and family to the Racket website also earn you commissions. They have a fantastic referral program that pays you $25 for each customer who signs up through your affiliate link. Furthermore, if you enjoy shopping online, you may utilize Racket to make your purchases, and they will offer you cashback when the price of those things reduces. There's no excuse not to join Racket and earn money back on your daily purchases. Racket will give you a $10 sign-up bonus if you use the link in description, and you can start earning money right away. Do you like Racket sales and discounts? Install the Racket browser extension to receive instant notifications of new deals and discounts. Get paid at Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars is a reputable company that has been around since 2000. This fantastic company will reward you for watching videos of adorable kittens or cooking shows. It's completely free to join Inbox Dollars. All you have to do is make an account on the website. After that, you can make extra money by participating in online activities such as taking surveys, watching videos, redeeming special offers, using its shopping gateway to shop at major stores, and more. With Inbox Dollars, there are so many methods to generate money online that it might be daunting. Let's talk about how you get paid before we get into the numerous income choices. Now let's get back to your earning opportunities. Because there are so many ways to make or save money with Inbox Dollars, we'll only highlight the techniques that don't require you to spend money, like when you get discounts by shopping through its shopping portals. Here are several online tasks that will get you money with Inbox Dollars. 1. Complete surveys. This is most likely one of the most profitable ways of making money with Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars provides a variety of market research surveys. Topics range from diapers, politics, and advertising to gadgets and sports. The company aims to match you to surveys that you will most likely qualify for and are relevant to you. The money will vary depending on the survey, and you will be able to know how much you will earn before you begin. 2. Use Inbox Dollars search engine. If you're not in love with Google, you can switch to Inbox Dollars search engine. It's partnered with Bing, so you get the same results as you would searching through Bing's homepage. 3. Get referral bonuses. Inbox Dollars pays you for referring others. It's a great way to help your friends and family make some extra money on the side. You can earn 30% of their qualified earnings for each individual who signs up using your referral link. So far, there is no limit on the number of people you can recommend or the amount of money you can earn. Other methods to get money are watching videos, play games, read emails, and grab win-it deals. They provide a free $5 sign-up bonus, and you can earn even more money by exploring the web, conducting paid online surveys, playing online games, or reading emails. So far, they have handed out $10 million to its participants. Earn cash on Survey Junkie. While waiting for the bus, on your lunch break, or even while vegging on the couch watching Netflix, Survey Junkie is one of the most credible survey companies. I enjoy earning money with Survey Junkie as soon as I wake up in the morning and throughout the day while multitasking. You may start earning points right away by signing up and filling up your profile. Each completed survey earns you points, which can be transferred to PayPal, cash, or a free gift card once you've reached the payout threshold. I really appreciate how easy Survey Junkie is to use and how they don't spam me with emails. Plus, with so many available, it's difficult to run out of survey invitations. Survey Junkie is completely free, and you can sign up with your Facebook, Google+, or email address. Branded Surveys. Branded Surveys is one of the world's leading market research companies. Indeed, they collaborate with several Fortune 500 firms to obtain feedback on their products and services. Even better, they've already given their community nearly $18 million in rewards. Simply register with Branded Surveys and begin taking surveys for money, just like you would with any other website. Every survey you complete will earn you points. Those points can be put as cash into your PayPal account or redeemed for gift cards at your favorite merchants, restaurants, and other businesses. If you'd like, you may even make a charity donation. As always, the more surveys you complete, the more money you will earn. It's completely free to join, so get started now. In the end, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button just at the bottom of this video. Also be sure to subscribe. And next, watch this video over here. This video will show you the top 10 passive income ideas that will make you rich in 2022 using one of the ideas you've learned from this video or come up with. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.